Most side hustles either take forever, or when they do work, they pay you very little and you can't really do anything with it. However, there's one side hustle that not a lot of people are talking about, and I don't understand why. And that side hustle is actually writing a book that generates and builds recurring revenue. Now, when you think about a book is something that truly gives you instant credibility, even if other people have doctorate, PhDs, or whatever behind their name. When you come in with a book, it instantly gives you more credibility. You think about how often people like refer to something as, this didn't come with an instruction manual, or you didn't write the book on this, or like children didn't leave the hospital with instruction manuals, like all of these different references that come with writing a book. Why? Because when you write a book, it instantly gives you the authority in that area for whatever it is. And, when you think about authority, people actually trust you more than they trust themselves. When you write a book on something, even if people have common knowledge and common sense and whatever else, if somebody writes a book in that area, they actually trust oftentimes that person in that area more than their own common sense, because they think, hey, like you're researching this area, you're expert in this area, you got authority in this area, so you must know more about this than I do, even though it's about me. And that gives you a level of trust that a lot of other things don't have. Because when you think about different side hustles, there's so many different people that have so many different side hustles. A lot of them are not legit at all. And what makes it bad for the people who actually have a side hustle that's legit, that's great, because there's a lot of great side hustles out here. However, when somebody writes a book, that separates you, that puts you in a category all by yourself. And now you're no longer competing like all of these other side hustles. You're not competing for attention in this area. You're not competing for the same dollars that somebody else is competing for when it comes to a side hustle. And it just instantly sets you apart, gives you credibility. And here's the other thing. When you think about writing a book, so some people think that like writing a book takes forever. Because I can hear people now, well, you said that some side hustles take forever, a book takes forever. And it's actually not true, because I've shown countless people how to actually write a book in 30 days or less. And there's other programs that teach you how to write a book in a weekend. So a book is not something that has to take forever. Now, there's certain structures and certain ways you have to do it in order to monetize that time so you can actually have a quality book, but it's not something that has to take forever. And when you write a book, there is a way where you can actually position that book and monetize recurring revenue based on different things that you actually associate with that book. So for instance, for myself, years and years ago, my second book, I actually used to do workshops all across the country. And I did workshops for about 7 years based on one book. And for 7 years, I'm making a 6-figure income off of one book. And I did that one presentation off of that one book for 7 years. And I just found a different audience. And that's just one of many ways that somebody can actually use a book to create recurring income. And here's the other thing. That doesn't even account for when I went to these conferences, because it was based on my book. I had audiences of 500, 600, even 700, even 1,200. And guess what? Not everybody, but a lot of those people, they also wanted a book. So every single time I went to these conferences, I'm not only getting paid to do my workshop, but I'm also getting paid from the book itself. And I'm not selling just one book at a time. I'm selling hundreds of books at a time. And here's the thing. A book might not make you $1 million if you're just selling one at a time, but if you're selling books in bulk, it can actually be really lucrative and pay you well. And if you structure right, you can even make money off the book. And again, I won't go into all of that, but it's something that can actually make you a lot of money if you position it right. And when it comes to like writing a book one time, when you think about other side hustles, when you're done with that side hustle, it's done with you. Like there's no more money typically that's coming out of that well. However, when you write a book, once you're done with that book is something that has the ability to pay you for the rest of your life. And it also has the ability to pay your heirs for the rest of their lives. And there's countless examples of this. And here's the thing. I want to be clear in saying that I'm not saying that this is like easy and just you could do it, just with your eyes closed. I'm not saying that at all. What I'm saying is that it's doable and that a lot of people have done it. And if other people have done it, and it's not just one or two people or somebody who has a special skill set, then it's possible for you as well. When you think about Stephen Covey, if you're not familiar with who that is, Stephen Covey is the author of The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. Now, Stephen Covey has been deceased for at least about 15 years at the making of this video. So he's been going for a really long time. His company, which is based off of his book, is still feeding his family for generations. Like that one book is making millions of dollars every single year, even though he's not here. That book has so many different programs on the back of it, mentoring programs, coaching programs, based on one book. Now, I could be wrong, but I don't think Stephen Covey ever wrote another book outside of the 7 Habits of Highly Effective, like in that vein. I'm not sure he's ever wrote any other book. And guess what? He doesn't have to. He didn't have to. That one book alone is making millions and millions of dollars for his family, even well after he's gone. And that's the great thing about a book. People don't throw books away typically. Like a book is something that people keep for years and generations and even pass down. And you think about if you were to write a book, think about you changing somebody else's life at a very deep level and then them passing your book along to somebody else and then they're recommending the same book to somebody else. And before you know it, you have all of these different people that are buying your book. And here's the reality. Even if you're not here, your family is still making money from it. Your family is still getting thanked for it. Your family is still being recognized because you created something that can be a legacy that they can actually benefit from generations to come. No other side hustle can actually do that. And there's so many people who want to write a book. And there's so many people who have written books. And unfortunately, most people, just to be very more accurate, 98% of all people that write books, they never make money from their book. Like after you pay for the printing and the editing, the book cover and all of the different expenses that come with books, typically authors are in the negative. They don't make money at all. And if you have any interest at all in writing a book, if you've ever had the idea of writing a book, or maybe you've already written a book, I want to show you specifically how to write a life-changing book that generates residual income for life. Now, I know that might sound like a bold claim, like how can you possibly do that? Well, I'm already doing it and I've been doing it for a while, but I also want to show other people how to do it. Because I remember when I started and I wrote my first book in 2007, I went to New York and I went to all these different conferences and there just really wasn't a lot of information on how to get started. Now, when I went to this conference in New York, they gave me a lot of high level tactics and strategies and things like that, but it didn't really show me how to start. It didn't really show me how to be effective and how to be successful based on where I was. And so I remember that. And I remember I always wanted to write a book, but I never thought somebody like me could write a book because I didn't know how to start. I didn't know anybody else who had written a book. And because I know how that feels and what that feels like and how there's so many authors all across the world that have these life-changing books, but they're broke. They're not making money. I want to change that. And so if you've ever thought about writing a book, if you've ever thought about how you can make money from a book, and most people don't even think about this, but if you've ever thought about how can you write a book once and get paid from that same book over and over and over and over again, I want to show you specifically how to do that. And if you have any interest in learning how to do that, I want to invite you to a workshop that I'm doing that truly walks you through the process on how to write a life-changing book that pays you residual income for life. And when I'm saying for life, not just you, but your heirs as well. Because there's other people that are doing it right now that's been doing it for a long time, but not too many people talk about this. And I want to show you specifically how to do it. So if you have any interest at all in that, I want you to click the link in the description and that will take you to a page where you can actually sign up. And this is not like a pre-recorded, something that I did 2 years ago that I'm still running. No, this is a live workshop where you get to interact with me. I'm going to break everything down, share even more about my process, how I learned, how to write that one book that I wrote and make a workshop, that I got paid from for 7 years. And you might say, Chris, that sounds great for you, but I'm not a speaker. I don't want to travel across the country, that's not what I want. Perfect. There's still ways where you can make recurring income from one book and never leave home. So there's something for you as well, if that was you at all. Because let's face it, even if people don't think about residual income, that's something that we all desire to have. Because if you can make money month after month, year after year, decade after decade from something that you've done one time, who wouldn't want that? That's why so many people are flocking to real estate, because real estate is something that can pay you residual income over and over again. However, it's a lot of risk when it comes to real estate. I'm a real estate investor as well. Like I have real estate properties and things like that. I'm not going to say it takes a lot of money to make money because that's not necessarily true. However, if something in that property goes wrong, it can cost you a lot of money to mitigate and fix it, if you will. Whereas when it comes to a book, there's not a whole lot of risk at all. I'm not gonna say it's no risk at all, but there's not a whole lot of risk at all. And if there's any risk, it's very minimal. So the odds of you succeeding and actually profiting from a book is so much greater than it is in real estate. So if you think about a book, like that's your intellectual real estate, if you will, where you don't have to go and spend thousands of dollars or hundreds of thousands of dollars, and get loans out and things like that. And you're actually making a difference in somebody else's life. So you're getting fulfillment and you're getting profit at the same time. So it's truly a win-win-win all the way around. So again, I want to invite you to click the link below if you've had any thoughts, any ideas about writing a life-changing book that really helps people, but also getting paid from it and making money from it. I want to invite you to this workshop. And if you've enjoyed this video at all on any level, even before getting to this, the end, I want to ask you to share this video with at least 3 people, because there are so many people that are currently looking for a side hustle right now, and most of them have never considered that a book could actually be their side hustle, and a book could also be their main hustle, and a book can also get them in a position where they never have to hustle, period, because it doesn't have to be a hustle. But if they're looking for one, a book can definitely be that. So I want to ask you to send this to at least 3 people that you know for sure has thought about writing a book, want to write a book, or maybe they already have one, but maybe their book is not doing as good as they would like it to. So I look forward to seeing you on the inside, and thank you in advance for sharing this specific video with at least 3 other people who have thought about writing a book or have already written one.